from MMS in England, in the UK. Essentially, we make machines which stop buttons falling off clothing. We have been making these machines in England for over 30 years now. Actually, it was my father's company, and now we sell machines all over the world. Here are the machines. I can show you how it works. So, after the button has been attached to the clothing, you use our machine to simply wrap a thread around the neck of the button, and when the heat is applied, the thread melts and the button is very strong, so it never falls off. This machine is for jackets, coats, pants, shirts, any type of garment. And then the machine on my left is for only shirts. This is Papon from our Dhaka office. We have been selling machines in Bangladesh for many years now. And the reason that our machines are popular is because some of the biggest brands from around the world, including Burberry, Hugo Boss, they use our machines and they request that their garments made in Bangladesh use our technology to stop the buttons falling off because they want a good reputation. It's been great here at the show. I cannot believe how many visitors you have. Really amazing, and probably one of the busiest countries and most exciting countries to visit. So thank you very much.